Yo, what's up guys? So in today's video I'll show you my updated free tweaking utility. So this tool increases your FPS, decreases your latency and input delay. It also has other benefits like cleaning your temporary files and other useless apps off your PC. But before we start the tutorial, I want to tell you guys about my premium and standard tweaking utilities. So these are basically better and more advanced versions of this free one. They have a lot more tweaks than my free one. So if you notice a difference after the free utility, then my premium or standard tweaking utility will help you so much more. I have hundreds of reviews on my website and my Discord server, so make sure to check them out. Now let's just start the video. Alright, so first I'll show you how to download the tool. So simply go to the description of this video and go here and join this Discord server. You can see this is discord.gg/exm. Once you're in the server, there's this category which is called #freetweaks, and you will find the latest version of my free utility. Let's just download it. So go to download and right click on this and download it. So just click on this and simply you can see I have the free tweaking utility 2.2 in here, and it's still in a zipped folder. So just drag this onto your desktop or anywhere, it doesn't really matter. And you can see it's now extracted. Also, right before we start using the utility, get this video to 1000 likes and I'll drop an update for the utility with new tweaks. And simply right click on it and run it as administrator. And that's all you have to do. So first thing you want to do is make a restore point. So press 1. And this will make a restore point which allows you to bring your PC back to default, like from before you use the tweaks. So yeah, I'm gonna skip to when it's finished. So first we have the general category, and I recommend doing everything in here, so I'll just quickly speed run through it. Alright, so I finished the category. So after that we have power tweaks. So don't do these if your PC has any overheating issues, but if it doesn't, just go here and press OK on this little pop-up and simply press 1, which will apply my power plan. So I'll simply still use my premium power plan since it's a lot better. But if you have any like extra power plans which you don't want to use, I recommend deleting them since they can actually switch over automatically. So this is how you delete a power plan. Go to change plan settings, delete plan, and just select my free one. And in the future, if you want an even better power plan, then definitely check out my premium tweaks. But yeah, after that, just go to power tweaks, which is number 2. That's finished. So that's that category. And after that we have Windows and debloat. So just press 3. And I'm also gonna do every single option in this category, but there are some which I have to explain. So yeah, I'll just speed run until I get to the ones which I'll have to explain. So here we have number 6, which you just press 6 and copy my options. So make sure show thumbnails instead of icons and smooth edges on screen fonts is selected. Those are just nice quality of life features, and then press OK. Alright, so after that just press 7. This will disable Bluetooth. And also a little side note, there's a bunch of reverts if you just press M and then go to E, which is reverts, and you can bring back stuff like you can enable Bluetooth again, you can reinstall Windows apps, etc, you know. So yeah, I just want to remind you guys of that. But yeah, then we have Windows Update Blocker, which is an app which allows you to disable updates. And there's a good reason why you would want to do this. So you can be playing a game, and when a Windows update starts, it will completely kill your performance. So I recommend having updates disabled. And if you want to install one, just open the utility again and go to enable updates. Yeah, simple as that. And then just press apply now. I'm gonna keep them disabled. And also a little side note, Microsoft Store doesn't work when updates are disabled. So when you want to download something from the Microsoft Store, then enable them. After that, I'm just gonna do the rest of these, so 9. Alright, so after that we have the clean category. So this is pretty self-explanatory. This will clean a whole lot of temporary files of your PC, and it won't clean anything that your PC actually needs. Don't worry about it. So just press 4. And first it will remove a bunch of device data which your PC doesn't need, and then it will start up this cleanup. And yeah, it's finished. Simple as that. It may take a little longer. If it gets stuck, then you can close it. It sometimes happens, but it's pretty rare. But yeah, after that we have RAM tweaks, which pretty self-explanatory. Just optimizes stuff in the registry which has something to do with RAM. After that, we have the Autoruns app, which this is a really useful app and it allows you to disable a bunch of startup services. So make sure you go to logon. So go to this logon section right here, and then I recommend basically disabling everything except your antivirus. So you can see I use ESET as my antivirus, and CMD, and make sure these NA files are checked as well. But the rest of this, like Microsoft Edge updates and stuff like this, I recommend having everything unchecked. It should look something like this. And if you have something which you want when you want to start up when your PC turns on, for example, I don't know, for some very particular reason you want Discord to start up, then select it. But if you're, for example, not using it, it will still run in the background and it will kill your performance. So that's why it's highly recommended to uncheck stuff in here. And after that, you can just simply close it. Alright, so then we have GPU tweaks. So here you basically select whichever GPU you have, and if you don't know what brand of GPU you have, go to Task Manager and go to Performance, and you can see I have a NVIDIA RTX 3080, and so I'm just gonna do NVIDIA tweaks. So if you have if it shows like Radeon, then do AMD, and if it shows Intel, then do that. Pretty self-explanatory. So one. So after that we have CPU tweaks, which this is pretty self-explanatory. Just disables a bunch of stuff which lowers your CPU's performance. And after that we have USB tweaks. So these ones were pretty self-explanatory, all of them. Sorry for using that word so much, by the way. I don't know why I'm using it so much. But yeah. Then we have mouse and keyboard, which again, this will disable a bunch of stuff like toggle keys, sticky keys, and it will overall just make your mouse and keyboard feel way more responsive. And then we have mouse and keyboard data queue size. Here you can select whichever type of CPU you have. So go to Task Manager and go to Performance, go to CPU, and comment whichever you have right here. And also for the people who use my previous utilities, I updated the settings, so do this again because I changed the values a bit. But you can see I have a 13th gen i7, and that's a high-end CPU. So yeah, that's everything for the utility. After you're finished, make sure to restart your PC. So just go here and restart your PC. And yeah, then turn it back on and play any of your favorite games, because this works on other games. It doesn't necessarily only work on Fortnite, but I'm just targeting this video towards my Fortnite audience. But before we end the video, I want to tell you guys a few more things. So if you guys want to revert the tweaks, simply go to restore point. So press R on your keyboard, and here select the EXM3 utility restore point. Next, and make sure your system drive is selected. Next, and then press finish. And then it will take a little while and it will restore all the settings back to default. So yeah, and then if you want to have your PC completely optimized, you will have way better performance than using my free utility. Just read the reviews, you will see it. And this will take you to my website, exmtweaks.com, and simply go to buy. And you can check out my premium and standard tweaking utilities. So there's a lot more info on this website, and there's also more on my Discord server. So if you want to read or just ask me, then yeah. And you can see I have a whole lot of reviews here. And there's also a lot more in my Discord server. You can literally scroll for days, you know. I want to thank you guys for watching. I kind of tried to improve my editing in this video. Hope you guys like it. If there's anything you guys want me to add to my free utility, then you can suggest it in the comments or in my Discord server. But yeah, sorry for dragging this video on. Love you guys. Bye.